Hey all my champions, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive platform for all exams. Every commando, every champion, just let me know in the comment box. Is audio, video perfectly fine? And here guys, I'm here with 25 most important topics of civil engineering for all subjects, guys. Those 25 topics, guys, exactly there will not be 25 topics. Approximately there will be 25 topics that I'll be discussing. They will be important for the gate examination in particularly, but obviously guys, when a topic is important, then you all know it is quite logic that that is important for all exams. Right now, yes, my focus will be on particularly gate exam, but once a topic is important or most questions are coming from that topic, then the same is for other exams as well. Those who are giving the GATE 2022 examination, they can revise these topics again and again and keep solving the numericals of these 25 topics at least. Those who are giving the GATE examination 2023, guys, these are the topics that you should study with very depth knowledge, because these are the topics from where maximum questions have been coming, will be coming, everybody. So Aditya Gupta is saying that he is very afraid of the GATE examination. Let me tell you, yesterday also on Hindi YouTube channel I have told this, that why anybody is afraid of any examination, or when Abhinav Negi has given the examination in 2012, why Abhinav Negi is afraid, or why you are afraid. You all are afraid because you are thinking that if GATE examination does not go well, then the shutters will be closed of your luck, or the career will not be so bright. I'm 100% sure everybody having you are nervous, you are tense, you are anxious, you are feeling afraid, you are having sleepless nights because the reason is only one, that you are thinking that if GATE examination does not go up to expectation, then the career will not be as bright as you have think. Correct? That is the reason. Please let me on the comment box. Please tell me in the comment box, are you afraid, are you nervous, are you tense with this reason or not? Please let me know in the comment section. Till then, let me introduce myself. Let me see your comments later. My name is Abhinav Negi, having 10 plus years of teaching experience. Done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in 2012. Mentored more than 20,000 students in offline for more than 8,000 hours. These are my subjects, guys, and subscribe the channel right now for more such information, whether it is technical, whether it is non-technical, or whether it is important update, job notification. Please subscribe the channel, so that after that, many students are asking, sir, my session is missed, or I have lost that update, I'm not able to get that update because you have not subscribed. So subscribe, guys, it is only your benefit. Okay, and you can join me in Telegram, Civil by Abhinav Sir, for all the links, for all the updates. Let me share the link here also. Let me share here the link also. Yes, this is the link, you can join there. And guys, the exam analysis for your branch will be on 12th. Okay, for mechanical it will be 13th. For forenoon and afternoon session both, answer key, expected cutoff, and everything about on the memory based answers that we'll be getting. So subscribe the channel for all the important updates, guys. Okay, and yes guys, today Rakesh sir will be coming on Hindi YouTube channel at 10:15 PM with important topics of aptitude, and then Onkar sir will be coming with do's and don'ts at 11:30 PM on Hindi YouTube channel. Guys, this is about GATE, okay, what is topper marks, what is cutoff, everything I'll be telling you at the end of the session. At what are the weightage of different subjects, what are the weightage of 2021 of different subjects, that I'll be telling you. Okay, what are the weightage, average weightage of last 5 years, that also I'll be telling you at the end. And what are the subjects which are having huge syllabus but less marks, RCC, structure, steel, BMC. Less subjects, less marks. Okay, hydrology, irrigation, less subjects, heavy marks. Syllabus is less but marks are too much according to the syllabus, these things. So that I'll be telling you at the end of the session. Before that, I'm coming to the topic. Okay, just don't see this, otherwise your focus will be diverted. Okay, so you all are tensed because why you are tensed? Why you are nervous? Because you are thinking that if GATE does not go well, if your GATE examination does not go well, then your career will not be so bright. You are thinking like that. Let me tell you one thing. Many students already know this. I have told them that with a good gate score, with a good gate marks, with a good gate rank, you are getting a very good future, very good MTech college, very good PSU, very good MTech or branch. But a very good career is not only through GATE. There are multiple exams after that also. Like BARC will be there, like state PSUs will be there, like many PSUs that take their own exam, like Engineers India Limited. I'll give you a list also. I'll give you that list also today. I will give you that list also today. Let me show this. Before coming to this topic, let me show that one only. Let me show that only. Let me show that only. Guys, these are the things that are with GATE. MTech, PSU, BARC, NITI Bombay, state SDOs, MS from Germany like Nanyang University and National University of Munich, CSIR, NHI, DMRC through GATE. But there are various like EAI, AAI, EIL, HPCL, HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. And I'm telling you, in HAL till site, the nothing notification has come. But tomorrow it will be coming. Everybody tell you notification after the site shows. I'm telling you before. Right now, HL not showing anything, but tomorrow it will be there. And guys, this year for civil engineers also, there will be notification for branches, for seats in PSU. So there are various other things without GATE also. So please don't panic with this reason that if GATE does not go well, then your future will not be bright. Please don't go like that because there are multiple other opportunities after GATE also. So go give the GATE exam with full confidence, with full josh, with full energy, with full concentration of mind. And guys, don't panic that this will be your last exam, guys. GATE will be the first exam of your career. Are you all ready? Please put a heart sign on the comment box if you are ready, so that I'm starting the session with 25 topics. Everybody on the comment box. Guys, please put a heart sign. Are you ready? So now, guys, I'm not wasting much of your time. I'm now coming with the topics, subject by subject. Subject by subject, I'm coming to the topics. Everybody, please let me know. Okay, all are ready. So I'm coming with the surveying. Okay, yes, everybody is ready. Everybody is ready. Excellent. Okay. So let us start the session. Then. Okay. So guys, first of all, I'm coming with the surveying. 25 topics subject wise. Later on, I'll be telling you other thing also, like cutoff, how many percentage students are clearing the cutoff. 1,40,000 students will be giving GATE examination in 2022 for civil. Approximately 1,40,000. What will be the cutoff from last many years and how many percentage of people are clearing that cutoff, that also I'll tell you at the end. What are the options without GATE also, that I'll be telling you. Okay, now see, everybody please see. With surveying, you can expect around 4 to 5 marks. Out of 100, you can expect surveying 4 to 5 marks. And guys, in surveying, see, what are the important topics? Let me tell you. There are many topics. Chain surveying. There is chain surveying, there is compass surveying, there is traversing, there is leveling, there is tachymetry, there is plane table surveying, there is GPS, GIS, remote sensing, there is theory of error, there is photogrammetry, there is that vernier scale. Many topics are there. But let me tell you, from surveying, if a question is coming, then around 30 to 40% chances the question will be coming from this compass surveying. 30 to 40% chances it will be coming from compass surveys. From leveling, around you can expect 40 to 50%. In this, guys, I'm also saying that correction of leveling is also there, reciprocal leveling is also there, rise and fall method is also there, sensitivity of bubble is also there. And guys, here traversing you can expect 15 to 20% question. And here what will be coming most of the times, that summation latitude is equal to 0, summation departure is equal to 0. On basis of this equation, some question will be coming. And from all other topics, guys, you can expect around 5 to 10% from other topics. Like chain surveying is important for engineering services, but not for GATE. Okay, chain surveying, tachymetry, GPS, GIS, remote sensing, photogrammetry, pale table surveying, photogrammetry, tachymetry, you can expect 5 to 10% questions. So Guys, of course, if you are giving GATE 2023 or 24, then you should go to the depth of knowledge, more number of questions in these three topics. And if you are giving GATE 2022, then you should revise these topics at least these topics you should revise: compass surveying, leveling, and traversing. In traversing, what is the numerical coming? Summation latitude is equal to 0, summation departure is equal to 0, or any numerical based on latitude and departure, because that topic is all about that. In leveling, guys, reciprocal leveling or correction curvature is most important. Okay, and in compass surveying, that declination and local attraction. Declination and local attraction, of course, declination, local attraction. Already, if I'm saying this, that I'm assuming that you know bearing and all about included angle. Okay, so have you got this? So surveying, these three topics are the most important. And in this, what are the subtopics? In this, what are the subtopics? Correction and reciprocal leveling. Okay, in this, latitude and departure, all about that. Traversing is all about that only. So these are the topics for surveying. Now moving to the next chapter, engineering hydrology. Everybody please see now. everybody please like and share the session so that more and more commandos can join in. Please like and share the session so that more and more commandos can join in. I hope you are enjoying the session. Let me put this on charger. Okay. Can Manish let it be in English, because this is English channel. Okay, let this be in English only. Okay, आपकी बात हो रही है, MSQ आ रहे हैं ज़्यादा, आपकी बात सही हो रही है. Okay, Neha Mahajan. Okay, let me tell you about MSQ also. All civil students. In computer science, there are approximately 12 to 14 MSQ questions. In electrical engineering, it is 0. In electronics engineering, it is 14 MSQ questions. Okay, so my expectation that you can at least 8 to 10 MSQ questions will be in civil. 8 to 10 MSQ questions will be in civil. That is my expectation. Maybe I'm not wrong. That is just one of those gut feelings that I want to share with you. Okay, now hydrology. In hydrology, guys, in hydrograph, guys, 90% numericals are solved from one concept. What is that? Area of hydrograph is equal to volume of water. Area of hydrograph is equal to volume of water. Guys, in previous year questions, in PYQ, if you solve 40 questions of hydrograph, then out of those 40 questions, you can see that 90% questions will be solving from this. Area of hydrograph is volume of water, whether it is unit hydrograph, whether it is direct runoff hydrograph. Then, guys, infiltration. In infiltration, there is Horton's curve and phi index and W index. Guys, Horton's curve and phi and W I'm writing together because both are average values, and Horton's curve is infiltration, that is varying. Okay, now for GATE, for engineering services, all are equally important, but for GATE, this is more important. So if you want to practice more, if you want to revise more, then in infiltration, you can go for phi and W index. Although couple of times questions have been asked from Horton's curve as well. But still, if time is less and you want to study only limited data, that will be phi index and W index, hydrograph. And then if time is there, then you can go for the risk and reliability. Guys, that is a just 10 minutes topic here. That is a 10 minutes topic. In 10 minutes, you can understand, you can solve all question. 10 minutes topic. So 3 topics from hydrology will be hydrograph. In hydrograph, guys, there are so many topics, but let me tell you that most of the questions will be solved from this equation. Area of hydrograph is volume of water. Okay, now infiltration, these 3 topics will be there, but yes, for GATE point of view, phi and W will be more important, risk reliability. Now others will be having 10% or 15% chances. What are others? Others will be precipitation, average precipitation, the number of rain gauges. Guys, number of optimum rain gauges, that formula N is equal to CV by epsilon whole square. Guys, hardly a question has been asked from last 25 years in GATE. Yes, the question is asked in engineering services objective and subjective, but in GATE, guys, I think 0 or 1 or 2 times the question has been asked from last 25 years. Okay, now evaporation, colloidal sunken pan, ISI pan, methods of evaporation, factors affecting evaporation, Mayer's of equation, all these topics consist of 5 to 10%. Okay, these topics, yes, in engineering services the topics will be coming, but GATE, all these topics are hardly or rarely asked. So you can go to hydrograph and phi and W. Risk and reliability I'm not counting in 25 topics because it is very, very small. Everybody, please let me know, are you understanding me or not? Are you understanding me or not? Or guys, share the session to everybody. Those who have just joined, I have told you the topics for till now only two subjects. First is surveying, traversing, compass and leveling. Then it is hydrology, it is hydrograph, risk and reliability and infiltration. Okay, and yes, surveying is coming 4 to 5 marks and engineering hydrology will be coming around 2 to 4 marks. 2 to 4 marks. And guys, if you study these three topics, then out of 4 to 5 marks, whatever it is coming, you will be scoring 90%. And same here. I think here 90% not it is 100% if you study these three topics. Now coming to the next subject. Everybody. Now see, strength of materials. Guys, this subject is having a weightage of 11 to 13 marks in 2011, 2010, 2012, 2013. But from last 2 to 3 years, the average weightage you can expect from here is 7 to 8 marks. 7 to 8 marks from last many years. Even I should not write 7. Okay, why is it? This is my subject, so I should write heavy. No, 6 to 8 marks. Okay, but if you see 2010, 11, 12, 13, it is 11 to 12 marks. Many students are doing one mistake, that they are taking the weightage of a subject from average of last 30 years. Guys, no. Last 5 years average you have to take, because many reasons. First, in last 5 years, 3 to 4 new subjects have been added, like railway, airport, building material, PERT CPM, engineering mechanics. So last 3 to 4 years, 4 to 5 new subjects have been added. So you have to take the average of last 3 to 4 years, not last 30 years. Another thing, many subjects, the weightage have been increased drastically, like transportation. In my time, 2011-12, the transportation is around 3 to 4 marks, but now it is 7 to 8 marks. Similarly, the weightage of SOM has been reduced a little. Okay, so you have to see. So that I will explain that also. In last 5 years, what is the average? I will explain at the end. What are the opportunities without gate? That I will tell. What is the cutoff? What is the cutoff? What is the cutoff? Toppers marks I will tell for every category. How many percentage people I will be clearing? That also I will be telling you at the end. Okay. Now, guys, all these things I will be sharing in my Telegram also. This is my Telegram link, Civil by Abhinav Sir. Now, 2 subjects have been done. Now, SOM. Guys, in SOM, the most important topics are stress strain curve. Okay, in stress strain curve, I am assuming that Poisson ratio is also here only. Poisson ratio, properties of material, deformation of bar, that PL by AE, deformation, all these are here. Okay, then bending stresses. Shear stress is not that important as bending stress. The sigma by y is equal to m by I is equal to E by R, having more numericals, more application on the gate exam rather than tau is equal to SA y bar by IB. Then it is slope and deflection and transformation of stresses. Transformation of strain is not that important. Mohr circle for stress is important. Mohr circle for strain is not that important. Strain rosette is not that important. So transformation of stresses. If you have just limited time, then you can skip transformation of strain. Okay. Now coming. These from 6 to 8 marks, these are my 4 topics that you should study. Now coming to geotechnical engineering, it is not one of the highest weightage. It is not one of the highest weightage for the GATE exam. It is the highest. It is the highest, guys. Now, you can expect from here around sometimes 14, sometimes 15, sometimes 16 marks. 14 to 16 marks. But guys, many people are, this is my subject, but see, many people are doing that mistake, giving high importance to geotechnical and not to hydrology. Why? Because geotechnical is 14 to 16 marks and hydrology is only 3 marks. Surveying is only 5 marks. Guys, if you see the syllabus wise, then survey is more scoring, hydrology is more scoring than this geotechnical. Because suppose survey is 5 marks and this is 15 marks. But syllabus of geotechnical is more than 3 times of survey. Survey is 5 marks, let us assume, and it is 15 marks. So marks wise it is 3 times more. But syllabus wise it is 5 times more than survey. Okay. So from 14 to 16 marks, guys, you can expect around 11 to 13 marks from soil mechanics. 11 to 13 marks from soil mechanics and 2 to 4 marks 2 to 4 marks from foundation. Okay, now what is important? This is not the topic. Soil mechanics is not the topic. It is not the topic. Let me come on topic now. Geotechnical engineering. Guys, quicksand condition. I'm not saying the whole seepage. Quicksand condition plus this. Q is equal to K into H into NF by ND. This formula. This is important in soil. Then another is Terzaghi bearing capacity. See, this is shallow foundation, na? In shallow foundation, this foundation has two, shallow and deep. In shallow there is Terzaghi, in shallow there is Peck-Hansen, in shallow there is Meroff, in shallow there is IS code draft. There are many things. But guys, if in shallow there are many topics like Terzaghi, Skempton, Meroff, IS code, guys, 99% question will be coming in shallow foundation for Terzaghi bearing capacity. Not from Peck-Hansen, not from Meroff, not for Peck-Hansen, these IS code for raft. Okay, now time rate of settlement, this formula TV is equal to CV into T by D square. This formula. Okay, now Darcy law, that V is equal to KI or Q is equal to KIA or seepage velocity is equal to discharge velocity upon porosity, these things. Okay, and phase diagram. I'm saying all these equations. SE is equal to WG, gamma bulk is equal to G plus SC upon 1 plus E into gamma W. Then for gamma dry, S will be 0. For gamma set, S will be 1 and N is equal to E upon 1 plus E. Then gamma submerged is equal to gamma set minus gamma W. All those formulas. These are most important for surveying. Guys, I'm not saying anything for pile foundation. Pile foundation, whether it is clay, whether it is sand, whether it is group capacity of pile, all are equally important. Yes, in pile foundation, I can say, like, come back. In foundation engineering, it is shallow and it is deep. In shallow, what is important? Terzaghi. In deep, what is important? Sand, clay and group, all are equally important. Now settlement you can neglect. There are some numericals of settlement also. Settlement of pile you can neglect. In shallow, you should focus on Terzaghi. In deep foundation, you can focus on sand, clay and group capacity. Settlement, you can neglect. Okay. And in soil mechanics, these are the important topics. Yes, you can neglect now more Coulomb. Yes, tau is equal to C plus sigma tan phi. Okay. And then sigma 1 and sigma 3 relation. That is also important. Okay. So if you study this much, guys, and you are 100% accurate, I am assuming that you will be 100% accurate. Then in these topics, you can expect at least 8 to 10 marks. 8 to 10 marks. Okay, but I'm assuming you are 100% accurate in these topics. Because if foundation is coming now, then you study Terzaghi. If you study Terzaghi from shallow foundation and deep foundation, you study these three, then 100% will be covered. 100% will be covered. Okay, to be more safer side, just in shallow foundation, do one more thing. That plate load test also. Plate load test, there are a couple of formulas, nothing to understand there. They are just empirical formulas. Do that. 100% here. And with these topics that I discussed here, you can go for 60 to 70% in soil mechanics. 60 to 70% in soil mechanics. So you can expect 8 to 10 marks. Okay, but I'm assuming you will be 100% correct in that way. Vignesh Mahajan. Also, see, Vignesh Mahajan, I have a Google Meet with him in night at 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. He is having some COVID. He was feeling depressed. Now he's okay. It is possible to take one formal revision session before the formula. Vignesh, I will try. I cannot commit because एक बार मैं commitment कर लेता हूँ तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता हूँ. Okay, I will not commit, but I will try. Okay, now coming to fluid mechanics. Everybody, come on, guys. Like and share the session so that more commandos can join. 150 people are there and only 100 likes. And this is my Telegram link. Okay, now coming to the fourth. Okay, let me see how many. First survey. In survey, what were the important things? Leveling, compass surveying and traversing. Then hydrology, hydrograph, find x, W index and this reliability. Then SOM, that is bending stress, transformation of stress, that is Mohr circle, stress and strain, slope deflection, and then fourth is soil mechanics. Okay, thank you Aruj, Sahil, Aman, everybody is here. Now coming to fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is quite interesting. Guys, you can expect 7 to 9 marks. And if I differentiate in terms of syllabus, then fluid mechanics and machine will be around 80 to 70 hours. 80 to 70 hours, I'm assuming fluid mechanics, machine, both approximately. That depends on individual to individual. Like my way of teaching is a little bit fast. So suppose someone is teaching in 80 hours, then I can finish in 70 hours because my speed is a little bit fast. And OCF is around 18 hours or 15 to 16, let us say. So syllabus wise, this is at least 6 times more. 6 times more. But what is interesting here? The syllabus wise fluid mechanics is 6 times more than open channel flow. 6 times more than open channel flow. But if you see it in terms of weightage, then out of 7 to 9 marks, 4 to 6 marks will be of fluid mechanics and 3 to 4 marks of open channel flow. 3 to 4 marks. So it will be around 35 to 45%, and this will be around 55 to 65%. So of course from here it is quite obvious that open channel flow is quite scoring than fluid mechanics. Somebody, Praveen, is asking what number of MSQ we can expect. See, in computer science, I'm not exactly 100% sure, but it's 12 to 14 MSQs. In electrical engineering, it is 0. I don't know how IIT can do this, because if any organization, I totally respect IIT Kharagpur, but if any organization say that there will be 3 types of questions, MCQ, MSQ and NAT. If any organization, I have total respect towards IIT Kharagpur, if any organization says that it will be MCQ, MSQ and NAT, then how the total 65 questions, 100 marks will comprise only of NAT and MCQ, and there are 0 MSQs? That is quite a question to IIT Kharagpur. Then how can you say there are 3 types of question when the third type is 0? And in electronics and communication engineering, it are 14 MSQs. For civil guys, it can be anything depending upon IIT Kharagpur professors with what thought they are making the paper. But my guess, that is total a wild guess. My guess will be around 8 to 12 or 8 to be more safer side, rather than write 8 to 10, I am writing 8 to 12. To be 100% safer, I can write 0 to 65. I hope you all studied Gumbel's method, X1 and X2. Even saying the peak discharge, we are saying from X1 to X2. Remember that? So if I have to be 100% sure, then I can write from 0 to 65. It will be more than 0 questions of MSQ less than 65. Like in Gumbel's method, X1 is equal to XT plus FC into SE, and X2 is equal to XT minus FC into SE. Okay. Now, what are the important topics of fluid mechanics on open channel flow? Let me see here. Okay, everybody, please see. Hydrostatic forces, kinematics, Bernoulli application, okay, flow through circular pipes. These topics are most important for fluid mechanics. And guys, in open channel flow, I'm not writing anything important. See, in open channel flow, building material, PERT CPM, engineering mechanics, all topics are equally important. Just only you can say that RVF will be little bit less important, but GVF, uniform flow, energy depth relationship, all are almost same importance. In PERT and CPM both are almost same equal. There is no partiality between them. Yes, we can expect that crashing will be coming up with less chances. So in open channel flow, in PERT CPM, in building material, I'm not writing any important thing, because that is a waste of your time, because all topics there, either it is in building material, brick or cement or any other thing, will be equal important. So I'm not wasting time in that. Okay. Now Santu is saying, sir, ki smile lakho mein hai. Thank you, Santu. Now these are the important topics for fluid mechanics. If you study these topics, and open channel flow is already a small topic, okay, you can expect the 70 to 80% you can score. Now steel. Guys, steel has one specialty, that it is a very heavy subject with very less marks. Guys, the weightage of steel structure, the syllabus of steel structure is, I think, 4 times or 3 times more than survey, 5 times more than hydrology, 5 times more than irrigation, 8 times more than PERT CPM, but weightage is very less. So it is one of those subjects. In my times, we are not studying this, because that time the cutoff is not that much hard. So in steel structure, guys, what you can do, Okay, as the syllabus is too much high and weightage is very, very less. It is important for engineering services because engineering services in objective and subjective. A huge weightage, a huge proportion is of steel structure, but not in GATE. So I would recommend, because this is one subject that many students have not studied. Okay, that is a trend of civil engineers not studying steel structure. You should go only for plastic analysis and then connections. First, your motive should be plastic analysis, then connections, then leave other things, girders and all those things you can leave. And if you have less time, if you have not studied this till now, please don't study. Only go for plastic analysis. Only go for plastic analysis and its revision. Now another subject, structural analysis. Again, the brother of steel structures, having huge syllabus but very less weightage. I guess the weightage will be 2 to 4 or even less. 2 to 4 or even less. Okay, huge subject but less weightage. It is important for engineering services subjective, but not here in the GATE examination. Huge subject and very less marks. Important topics will be indeterminacy, static and kinematic, trusses and ILD. These 3 topics. And guys, if you have not studied in that much depth, guys, go for only these 2, indeterminacy and ILD. Leave trusses then. Then going to the next subject, RCC. RCC is a big subject, but weightage is also decent. Not very small, not very high. RCC you can expect around 6 to 7 marks. And most important topics of RCC will be properties of concrete. Then guys, beam design by LSM, that is, first step is calculation of neutral axis. Then second step is calculation of critical depth. Then third step is comparing whether XA less than XC, whether XA equal to XC, that is under reinforced, that is balanced, or XA greater than XC, that is over reinforced. Then fourth step, calculating moment or resistance, or AAST. So beam design by LSM, shear reinforcement, there are 3 types of reinforcement: vertical, bent up bars and inclined. Anything may be asked. Bond length, that I'm not remembering the formula, something LD is equal to 4 tau upon 5, something like that. And pre-stressed concrete. Even if you want to now go in more depth, which are most important topic, then most important topic here will be this and this. These are 2 most important: beam design and pre-stressed concrete. Even if you want to leave the revision, then you can go leave these 2, but these 2 are most important. And one more thing. Then from here you can expect a 1 marks question. 1 marks question, but all these topics will give you 2 marks question. 2 marks question. Okay, everybody. Yes, Sudeep, how are you? Jaffa, everybody, please let me know in the comment section, is this session beneficial to you? And we are having more subjects now. At the end, I'll tell you what you can expect cutoff, what you can expect cutoff for NITM Tech, what you can expect cutoff for new ITs, what you can expect cutoff for old ITs, what you can expect cutoff for PSU. At the end, I'll be telling you that as well. Okay. Now, environmental engineering, again, after soil mechanics, the most weightage. Around you can expect 12 to 15 marks, 12 to 14 marks, let us say, better to write. Okay. Now in environmental engineering, it is hardness and alkalinity. Guys, I'm not knowing about environment too much. Something that non-carbonate hardness, carbonate hardness, total hardness, something like this. Carbonate hardness is minimum of these, like something like that. Okay, hardness and alkalinity. Okay, calcium carbonate, atomic weight 100, something like that. Something I'm remembering for 2010 and 11. Sedimentation, that overflow rate will be coming here. Filtration. Okay, then BOD, that E ki power minus KT, all those numericals will be important. Then activated sludge process. If I want to further divide most important topics here, then it will be hardness, sedimentation and BOD. Okay, because filtration and ASP are important for GATE, but they are important, much more important for engineering service examination. For GATE, these 3 are important. Although all 5 are most important, but still from these 5, most important are these 3. Okay. Yes, मेरी chemistry बहुत weak है. Okay, then in irrigation engineering, guys, water requirement for crops, duty delta relationship, something a delta is equal to 8.64 B by D, something like that. Okay, gravity dam, elementary profile, these are important. Now transportation. Okay, irrigation you can expect like 2 to 4 marks. And if you study this, guys, almost if suppose 3 questions will be coming, then at least 2 questions will be coming from these 3 topics. Now transportation engineering weightage has been increased from last 7 years. Okay, last 5 years it is now 7 to 8 marks. Earlier it is only 3 to 4 marks. Earlier is only highway, now it is railway and airport both. But if a question comes in transportation, then most chances, I must say that around 75 to 85% chance that question will be from highway engineering. Okay guys, let me tell you that most subject I have taught till now is highway, that I have not taught here in online, but in offline I have taught most subject is highway, more than hydrology, more than survey, more than SOM. Railway chances are around 10 to 15% and airport it is around 0 to 5%. Okay, now coming to here, highway. Highway engineering consists majorly of 3 topics, majorly. One is geometric design, that side distance, that super elevation, that valley curve, that summit curve, that geometric design. Now traffic engineering is capacity, that Qmax is equal to Vf into Kj by 4, green shield model, Vf by 2, Kj by 2, then rotary formula, Qmax is equal to 280 W1 plus E by W1 minus P by 3 upon 1 plus W by L. Webster method, cycle load C naught is equal to 1.5 L plus 5 upon 1 minus Y. And pavement design. Let me tell you that 40 or 40% questions will be coming from geometry design, 40% questions from traffic engineering, and very less questions will be coming from pavement design. Now what are the important topics? These are the subjects. Now what are the important topics of highway engineering? Are side distance. Now in side distance, what is SSD important, OSD important, or ISD important? I am not Rajnikant. Only Rajnikant can tell that. Only Rajnikant can tell that. SSD, OSD, ISD are all equally likely. Yes, SSD and OSD are having more chances because ISD is nothing. ISD is 2 times of SSD. Now it is super elevation, Webster method of cycle design, road capacity, that green shield model. Green shield model. Okay, and railway airport, I am not writing any important topics because I don't think that will be coming in top 25 topics. So these are for transportation engineering. Now, these are all subjects. I'll share the PDF also in my Telegram. I'll share the PDF just after the session in my Telegram. This is my Telegram link, Civil by Abhinav Sir. This is my Telegram link, Civil by Abhinav Sir. Now wait for another 5 minutes. Wait for another 5 minutes. Let me tell you, you are tensed, you are nervous, you are anxious, those who are giving GATE examination. Guys, you should be nervous, you should be tensed, you should be anxious, you should be afraid of the exam if there is only one exam GATE in this country. In engineering services, through GATE exam. In state services, through GATE exam. In all PSUs, through GATE examination. In all NITs, IITs, through GATE examination. No. Guys, majority of the things will be through GATE, but there are other things as well. State service examination for assistant engineer. There are many PSUs who take their own examination. BARCs take their own examination. So guys, don't be afraid because there are various opportunities through GATE. There are various opportunities through GATE, and there are various opportunities that is without GATE also. Like BARC, MTech from Jamia and BITS planning, that is without GATE. Okay, BARC is with GATE also, without GATE also. AAI, Airport Authority, Engineers India Limited, HPCL, these are things, state PSCs, these are without GATE. So if all things are through GATE, then you should be worried. Guys, through GATE a career is built, but a career is not built only through GATE. There are many other things as well. I hope you understood. Just put a heart sign. If that decreased, if that statement decreased your anxiousness, your nervousness, please put a heart sign. I will be with you. Yes, you should be nervous. Yes, you should be anxious. But when? When there is only single examination GATE in this country for civil engineers. With GATE there are many opportunities. But there are many opportunities without GATE also. So why to worry? If we are the real fighters, if we have the real concepts, if we have the in-depth knowledge, if we have the courage, that might be GATE does not go up to the expectation, but there are other things as well that are in the line. And if we are the real fighter, if we are having the real in-depth concepts, then guys will be cracking any of one of these. I always tell, an aspirant is a baller. Like a batsman has to, if he has to hit a century, he has to hit run or survive in every ball. But if a bowler has to take a wicket, only one ball is required. Similarly, if your luck has to beat you, If your luck को रोकना है तुमको अच्छी जॉब लेने से, the luck has to be good, luck has to beat you in every exam, but you only require just one exam to beat luck. Any exam, that's all. Okay, now so what should be the cutoff? What should be the cutoff? Let me tell you. Before that, let me tell you that this you all know. I'm not wasting any time in this. This you all know. I'm not wasting any time on this. Yes, MSQs in electrical it is 0, electronics it is 14, in computer science it is 10 to 12. I can expect like 8 to 10 or 8 to 12 any MSQ can be civil examination as well. There's no negative marking in MSQ and NET. And how to find a question is MSQ? How to find a question is MSQ? It will be given in exam. There will not be hide and seek in pehchano murko, pehchano where I am there. No, it will be there. It will be written there that this is MSQ question, and NET you can identify, fill in the blanks you can identify. Okay, most chances that MSQ will be in 2 marks. Now, if you see GATE topper, it is 95 marks in 2021, and 2020 it is 90.77 marks. If you see the cutoff, then for out of 100, this is the cutoff. For general it is 30 marks. For general it is around 30 marks. For OBC it is around 26 to 30, and SC ST it is around 20 marks. Now see, if 1,30,000 students are giving the civil engineering GATE exam in GATE 2022, then approximately guys 17 to 80% people qualify. Let it be 20%. Let it be 20%. Qualifying GATE students will be approximately, it is actually 17% rough data from last 5 years. But approximately 20% will be how much? 13 to 26,000. 26,000 people will be roughly qualifying. Qualifying means more than these marks, 30 or 20. And out of these, the students who will be getting more than 50 marks, will be around 6,000 to 8,000. And real competition, people are afraid that, oh my god, what a huge competition. No guys, I never think that this is the competition. I always believe that this is the competition of my students. These, not my students, this is the competition of real students. This is the competition, guys. 6,000 people will be fighting for their career, fighting for their future in those 3 hours on 12th February, whether it is forenoon or afternoon. These 6,000 people will be having real competition. And guys, you know what? When there is a match between India and Pakistan, what commentator says, what cricket expert says, that in a match between India and Pakistan, better team will not be winning. No. That day, better team will not be winning. That day, that team will be winning who control their aggression and their nerves will be of steel that day. Should be nerves of steel means they should be like that, they can handle the pressure. Handling pressure is more important rather than cricketing technique in matches like India and Pakistan. Because many great batsmen and bowlers that day becomes flop. Shoaib Akhtar, Wasim Akram, then Sachin and Sehwag has put a uppercut 6 in South Africa in 2003 World Cup. That time Wasim Akram, Waqar Yunus, Shoaib Akhtar were top bowlers in the world. And scoring 272 odd runs in 2003, it is almost impossible. That time 270 is too much. Yeah, now times 300 is also chaseable. But they, 3 fast bowlers of theirs are not able to control their nerves, aggression. Same thing will be on those 3 hours with you. Your concepts are now, whatever is your concept, that is your concept. You cannot improve your concepts too much now. You cannot improve your depth of knowledge too much now in the coming 4 days. But what can you can improve? You can improve the calmness, the controlled aggression in those 3 hours. That will be much more important rather than concepts now. Yes, if you're asking same thing in July, April, August, September, I'm saying what rubbish here, go for the concepts, go for the concept. but last 4 days, more than compression, more than concepts, it should be the controlled aggression that you will be performing. Okay. Now, out of 1,30,000 people, 26,000 will be qualifying, and more than 50 marks will be around 5 to 6,000. Let me tell you, cutoff will be around this year as well. If you want NIT, a decent NIT, then you should be getting more than 40 marks. But if you say, I want NIT Trichy, NIT Warangal, NIT Allahabad structures, then you should be getting more than 52 marks. But more than 40 marks, you will get some of the seats in NIT. Now, with IIT, new IITs, you should be getting more than 54 marks. Okay. Old IITs, it should be more than 60 to 62. Okay. For PSUs, I don't want to write. Why? It can be more than 74, but I don't want to write it. Why? I'm giving you a logical reason for that. Guys, the seats of NIT, the seats of new IITs, the seats of old IITs are almost fixed. NIT seat will not having huge variation in the coming year. Same with new IITs and old IITs. But PSUs might be number of seats another year might be 3 times more or 3 times less. From last 2-3 years it is already less, so more chances of in higher side in coming years. So number of seats of NITs or IITs will not change drastically, but these seats will change, may change drastically. So I'm not writing any number here, but if you want average, it will be 74 marks. HAL has not yet announced Hindustan Aeronautic Limits, but from my sources I'm getting it that yes, tomorrow it will announce, and most probably 99% seats will be coming from civil also. Don't go the site because till now the notification will not be there. It will be coming tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And also guys, one more thing that Rakesh sir has already made this in shorts, that yes, answer key will be available. I'm not getting the dates, might be 15th, 16th or whatever, you can see that short. Okay. And answer key will be available just 2 or 3 days after examination, and then after around 21st or 22nd February, your response key will be available around 15th or 16th Feb, I'm forgetting the exact date, and around 21st February the answer key will be available. Okay, so guys, go well and hit it guys, and these I'll give you in my Telegram, Civil by Abhinav Sir. Heavy subjects means huge weightage like steel, structures, but less marks. Okay, less subjects, less marks like these, and less syllabus and high marks are this. I'll be sharing this all in my Telegram, Civil by Abhinav Sir. Just let me know in the comment box guys if you enjoy the session, if you like this session, please reply me on the comment section. Please reply me on the comment section if you enjoyed it. And guys, yes, these are the all subjects that I told you. Come on, irrigation, transportation. And these are the things with gate, these are the things without gate. Will be coming after gate with post-gate guidance program to all of you, and a post-result program also. Subscribe the channel right now. This is my Telegram where I'll be sharing this PDF. I already shared the link of my Telegram in the comment section. I'll sharing this PDF also there within 2-3 minutes. After this session, within 2 to 3 minutes. And yes guys, will be live 12 to 13 February. This is for civil, this is for mechanical. Okay. Subscribe the channel guys for more such updates like HAL, like technical sessions, non-tech sessions, maths, engineering services, gate, job updates, notifications. Subscribe it right now guys. Okay, and yes, today Rakesh sir will be coming at 10:15 PM on Hindi YouTube channel with important topics of aptitude, and 11:30 PM Onkar sir will be coming with do's and don'ts in last 5 days. Okay, Santo, I will try. Okay, so please don't be nervous. I have told you the logical reason. Okay, guys, thank you. Take care. See you soon. This is Abhinav Negi signing off. Thank you. Take care.